strange ass noise. Something keep humming. Meditation. Louder than motherfuckers. It could be FBI checks, surveillance, watching me and shit. What the fuck you watching for? Blocking my contact, blocking my extraterrestrial contact. Yes, I'm in touch with something that I ain't seen, but I see the shadows standing in my window. I know that they are beings. It could be a human being watching me, but it can't be a human being watching me. I fucking see everything about you except your body. Lights flash in my eyes real quick. My third eye is open, and yeah, I'm hella focused. You niggas steady choking when I start speaking up on some shit you don't know, man. Stop fucking laughing, this shit is not funny. Yes again, then again it's fucking funny. Cause I be fucking laughing at everything that's happening. All the fucking visions, I change my name to Vision. The ruler, I am that nigga though. Now I am a king and a god mixed together though. All three, 1 plus 1 is motherfucking 3, dog. When you add on to it, yeah, add them up, then subtract, then divide, then multiply, then split it down the middle. Ain't this something like down division? 4 divided by 2, it equals 2, but ain't no fucking telling about you, or me and you. We in the same body. The soul has my body. My body has a soul. And I finally get to know him. I wanted to get to know him. Never got to show him to the people, but he finna be seen real quickly. You dig me? You feel me? I'm smoking on the Grinchy, thinking that this motherfucking 3